All right, welcome to Module 2. You should already picked out a business for your company. Now, what you're going to need to do is get a virtual office. Uh, a virtual office address provides communication and address services for a fee without providing dedicated office space. Now, one that I use, but I would kind of be cautious, is I'm using this myself. It's called iPostal. You can get started with them for $9.99 a month, and you get a business address. So your company looks more professional, and that's what vendors want to see whenever they're lending to you, is that you have an office space. Um, iPostal is kind of getting a bad rep under. Well, I wouldn't say bad rep, but I'm saying is lenders are starting to see uh, the addresses pop up that they're sharing. So you might want to go to google.com and type in virtual office. You can get virtual offices for about $50 a month. But if you're in Money Crunch, this right here should work just fine until you're able or until you get to tier 3. So right here for $9.99 a month would be good for the net 30 account vendors. And then if you can't afford it later on, go to Regus.com. I think it's Regus .com, and or just type in virtual offices in Google, and it'll pop up different companies that offer that. But if you're in a but if you do have a crunch, money crunch, and you need to save money, I would just go ahead, iPostal, and you can get a business address for $9.99 a month. All right, I see you on Module 3.